Hello dear students, good morning all of you. In this lecture I will going to explain a selection rule. Selection rule. Okay, which is also called as the transition rule. Transition rule. Okay. Now first, what is meant by this selection rule? Okay, you know, this is the electron orbit. This is the electron orbit. N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3 and N is equal to 4. Okay, according to orbital, N is equal to 1 represents the s orbital, N is equal to 2 represents the p orbital, N is equal to 3 represents the d orbital and N is equal to 3 represents the f orbit. Okay, now selection rules means what? Selection rule decide if a transition is allowed or forbidden. Okay, selection rule decide if a transition is allowed or forbidden. Okay, means which transition is allowed or forbidden. Means in this case the transition between the electron is transit from S state to P state, P to D, D to F, or F to D, D to P. Electron is transit from S to P state, P to D state or D to F state. Okay, again reverse, electron transit from F to D state, D to P state or P to S state. Okay, this transition from these electron orbits, that is called as the selection rule. Okay, now the transition from the electron transit from S state to P state, P to D or D to F, there are some restrictions. Okay, these restrictions called as the selection rules. Now there are the first selection rule is that the value of selection rule for delta S. Okay, the selection rule for delta S. Okay, delta S means what? The spin angular momentum. Okay, what is the selection rule for delta S? Okay, in an delta S, during the transition between energy levels, an electron does not change its state. Okay, means during the transition between energy levels, an electron does not change its spin. Okay, during the transition between energy levels, an electron does not change its spin. Therefore the transition is allowed, otherwise transition is forbidden. Suppose we have to taken as the example for DD orbit. Okay, DD transition. In an D transition, suppose in an D transition, this is the ground state energy level, or this one is the excited state. Okay, this is the ground state or this one is the excited state. Okay, in an D state, okay, L is equal to 2. Okay, according to orbital angular momentum S, P, D or F, the value of L is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, means D is represents the L is equal to 2. Now there is, suppose the first electron is in the first orbit. Okay, means during transition between energy levels an electron does not change its spin, means what? The ground state electron having spin up, then this electron goes to excited states, the spin is as it is. Okay, means there is no change in spin. This transition is allowed transition, means in a D state the spin is spin 1/2, therefore means spin is 1/2. Okay, means we have to calculate delta S. Delta S is equal to, how was calculate? This one is the excited state E2 and this one is the ground state E1. Okay, means delta S is equal to S2 minus S1. Okay, means the value of S2 is 1/2 minus 1/2, therefore delta S is equal to 0. Okay, means if the transition the selection rule for delta S during transition between energy levels as electron does not change its spin. Okay, means the value of delta S should remain 0. This transition is allowed. This transition is allowed. Okay, this transition is allowed, means D to D transition is allowed. D to D transition is allowed. Okay, whatever the value of delta S excluded, whatever the value of delta S is 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2, then this transition is forbidden. Okay, delta S is remains 0. This transition is allowed. Okay, now the next selection rule is that the selection rule for quantum number, the selection rule for quantum number L or n theta, L or n theta. The selection rule for quantum number L or n theta. Okay, in this case this transition involve change of azimuthal quantum number, quantum number are allowed. Change of azimuthal quantum number are allowed, means what? Change of azimuthal quantum number was allowed, means we have to take here first one example. For example, in an DD state, okay, we have to see that here this DD transition for an selection rule for L or n theta DD transition is allowed or forbidden. Okay, means here we have to write that this transition involve change of azimuthal quantum number are allowed, means the value of azimuthal quantum number n or L or n theta is change. Okay, this word is important. The value of azimuthal quantum number n or L or n theta will be changed. Okay, now we have to see that this transition is allowed or forbidden. Okay, means in a D to D transition we have to see that L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, which represents the S state, P state, D state or F state. Okay, now L is equal to 2 represents the D state. Okay, means 2 to 2 transition. Okay, this transition means this transition delta L should not remain same, therefore this transition is forbidden. Okay, this transition is forbidden, or it is also called as the Laporte forbidden. Forbidden. Why? Because the value of L should remain same. Okay, now we have to see that if we have to taken as the value of delta L is equal to L2 minus L1. Okay, L2 minus L1, 2 minus 2, delta L is equal to 0. If delta L is equal to 0, this transition is forbidden. Okay, delta L is equal to 0, this transition is forbidden. Now when we have to see that what is the case for this transition is allowed for the value of L or n theta. Okay, now how we decide the value of delta L is equal to this transition is allowed. Okay, when the transition is allowed, the transition is allowed when L is changed, okay, the transition is allowed when the value of L is changed, then this transition is allowed. Okay, now we have to see as the example, the transition is allowed. Okay, when the electron transit from S state to P state. Okay, S state to P state. Okay, means in an S state L is equal to 0 and in an P state value of L is equal to 1, means the transition is 0 to 1. Okay, means delta L is equal to L2 minus L1, means what? 1 minus 0, means delta L is equal to plus 1. Okay, this transition is allowed. Okay, delta L is equal to plus or minus 1, then this transition is allowed. The condition for transition is allowed is that the delta L is equal to plus or minus 1, then this transition is allowed. Means that is in an any electron transition, it must change by plus or minus 1. Okay, plus or minus 1, then this transition is allowed. Okay, now we have to decide as the which transition is allowed or forbidden. Okay, first we have to write here one note for transition rule for L or n theta, which transition is allowed or forbidden. Okay, first transition, the G-rate to G-rate transition is allowed. G-rate to G-rate transition or un-G-rate to un-G-rate transition is Laporte forbidden. Okay, G-rate to G-rate or un-G-rate to un-G-rate transition is Laporte forbidden, and second one is that G-rate to un-G-rate or un-G-rate to G-rate transition, un-G-rate to G-rate transition is Laporte allowed. Okay, G-rate to G-rate transition or un-G-rate to un-G-rate transition is Laporte forbidden, or G-rate to un-G-rate or un-G-rate to G-rate transition is Laporte allowed. Okay, and now we have to म्हणजे तुम्हाला सांगायची माहीत असायची गरज नाही की G-rate or un-G-rate is what. Okay, I have to explain here. G-rate means same transition, or G-rate to un-G-rate means different state. Okay, the electron states. Now we have to write here the orbital having a means G-rate to G-rate transition is what, or G-rate to un-G-rate transition is what. Okay, the orbital having a center of symmetry, the orbital having center of symmetry, then this transition is G-rate. Okay, ओके. ज्या ऑर्बिटलमध्ये सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री असेल तर ते जे काही ट्रान्झिशन आहे तर ते कुठलं असेल, जिरेट ट्रान्झिशन. ओके. आता काही लोकांना प्रश्न पडला असेल की सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री मीन्स व्हॉट. ओके. सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री, सपोज this is the s orbital. Okay, s orbital, and you know that everyone, the shape of this s orbital is the spherical shape. Okay, the shape of this s orbital is spherical shape. Now this is the center. Okay, center of symmetry means what? This will be the s orbital and having a spherical shape. Now आता इथे काय होतंय की this one is goes to from this direction and this will be goes to from this direction. Okay, after some time this will be the that point or this will be this that point. Okay, means म्हणजेच काय की दोघांना पण एकच सेंटर मिळतोय. ओके, ह्या सर्कलचा जो काही पॉईंट आहे तर दोघांना पण जाऊन इथे काय मिळतंय, दिस विल बी द दॅट और दिस विल बी द दिस. नाउ मीन्स व्हॉट, दिस विल बी द जिरेट. ओके, दोघांना पण ह्या सर्कलचा एकच पॉईंट मिळतोय कुठला तरी. दिस ट्रान्झिशन इज द जिरेट. ओके. नाउ अनजिरेट मीन्स व्हॉट, अनजिरेट मीन्स व्हॉट, we have to taken as the example for p orbital. Okay, what is mean by the ungiret transition? Ungiret means what? The shape of p orbital is the dumbbell shape. Okay, the shape of p orbital. Okay, this one is the plus or this is the minus. Okay, म्हणजे हा जर या डिरेक्शनला गेला तर याला काय मिळेल, प्लस, आणि हा जर इकडे आला डाऊनवर्ड डिरेक्शनला तर इथे काय मिळणार आहे तुम्हाला, मायनस. म्हणजे जे काही ट्रान्झिशन आहे दोघांना दोन वेगवेगळे पॉईंट मिळत आहे तर तेच जे काही ट्रान्झिशन आहे तर त्यालाच काय म्हणायचं, अनजिरेट ट्रान्झिशन. ओके, अनजिरेट. ओके, राईट ना. अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज मीन बाय दी जिरेट ट्रान्झिशन और अनजिरेट. ओके, सपोज द डी ऑर्बिटल. Okay, the shape of d orbital is the double dumbbell. Okay, shape of d orbital is double dumbbell. This will be the minus plus minus plus. Okay, means this will be the plus plus sign or this one is the minus minus, means this transition is the giret transition. Okay, in an f orbital there is the ungiret transition. In an f orbital there is ungiret. Okay, understand what is meant by the giret transition or ungiret transition. Means in an suppose the transition between s state to d state. Okay, the transition is s state to d state. We have to say that this transition is Laporte, allowed or forbidden. Okay, in an s state the value of L is equal to 0 and in an d state value of L is equal to 2. Okay, means this transition is 0 to 2, means delta L is equal to L2 minus L1 is equal to 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 minus, sorry, delta L is equal to 2 minus 0, this will be 2. Delta L is equal to 2 means this transition is Laporte forbidden. Laporte forbidden. Okay, when this transition is allowed, the value of delta L should remain plus or minus 1, then this transition is allowed. Okay, now suppose D to F transition. Okay, D to F, the value of L is 2 to 3, then delta L is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This transition is Laporte allowed. Okay, this will be the selection rule for delta L. Now third rule is that the selection rule for n, delta n. Okay, principal quantum number delta n. Now, in an selection rule for delta n is that whatever the value of delta n, anything, okay, this transition is allowed. This transition is allowed. Means म्हणजेच काय, तुमचा जो काही इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे that will be transit from S state to P state, P to D, D to F, S to D, S to F. Okay, whatever the value of delta n, means delta n is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Okay, every transition is allowed, means whatever the value of delta n, this transition is allowed. Okay, this will be the selection rule for delta n. Okay, hopes you understand what is the selection rule. Okay, I have to see that here summary for this selection rule. The first selection rule is delta S is equal to 0. The value of delta S is equal to 0, then this transition is allowed, otherwise transition is forbidden. The second selection rule is the value of delta L or n theta. The value of delta L or n theta will be plus or minus 1, then this transition is allowed. Condition for allowed transition. Condition for allowed transition. Delta S should remain 0. Delta L or n theta is equal to plus or minus 1. Then this transition is allowed, otherwise transition is forbidden. The third selection rule is delta n is anything. Whatever the value of delta n, then this transition is plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus so on. Whatever the value of delta n, then this transition is allowed. The next selection rule is that delta j. Okay, delta L. Okay, delta j is the total angular momentum. Delta L is plus or minus 1, therefore delta j is equal to also plus or minus 1. Then this transition is allowed. The value of delta j is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, thank you.